everybody, welcome back. Don't know why I feel so nervous. This feels so strange. I can't remember last time I did this. Hi. Long time no see. I don't think I filmed a video in over a year. Probably, maybe longer. I don't know why I feel so awkward. I feel proper awkward. I'm surprised these light boxes still work, in all fairness, because I've been sat in blooming sheds and garages and wardrobes, you name it. So hi, it's been a long time. What's been happening with me? Oh, quite a lot actually. I moved house. I'll do a little, well actually I actually filmed stuff. I moved, what month are we in now? We're in April. We moved at end of September. I did film some stuff on moving day, so I will insert clips as I'm speaking through things. But yes, moved to a bigger house, 3-bedroom, semi-detached from a terrace 2-bedroom house, bigger garden. I've actually moved to a new build. It's lovely. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I could ever not live in a new build after living in this house. Everything's pristine, everything's new. You know, nothing's been lived in before, like nothing's been touched basically. It's just a blank canvas at the moment. Perfect for filming videos. Perfect with the white wall, in all fairness. But yes, so I thought, I've got a day off work, husband's at work, because there's no way I film when he's in the house. I get too embarrassed and he knows that, and I won't do it when he's in the house. And I thought, do you know what, I'm gonna get up this morning and I'm gonna put my face on, I'm gonna do my hair, make myself feel better, and I'm gonna sit in front of that camera, I'm gonna do it. Because I've been meaning to do this video for months and I've just been putting it off and putting it off. I filmed this intro about 3 times and I haven't been happy with it, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get my light boxes out, I'm gonna film it, I'm gonna do it properly. I'm actually filming on my iPhone again. I hope the quality's alright. We decided we wanted to move. Just wanted somewhere bigger. I wanted a garden, in all fairness. The garden we had before, it was lovely. It was very low maintenance. There was a nice cute little summer house in it, and I had the few odd pots about, but it was just low maintenance. I wanted something a bit more of a garden. It's got 3 bedrooms. The bedroom I'm sat in now is the smallest bedroom. I've kind of turned it into my beauty room, but that is just something I always do. So there's a bedroom down the hall just not being used. Yeah, I'm really enjoying living here. It's lovely. No noise. You don't hear anything from the neighbours, which is a bonus, which is... Let's not talk about that. Garden's lovely. I've got a nice little shed now. I have a drive, so I no longer have to park on the road and worry about people knocking my wing mirrors off, scratching my car. Hasn't really got a front garden. I will show you in the video, but I've done the best what I can with it. I put a few pots round. There is a slight front garden. Oh, the cat's settled in perfectly. I think he stayed in a few weeks. We couldn't hack it anymore. We had to let him out. We're doing our head in. He's a very outdoorsy cat, my cat. He likes to stay out a lot, come in, out, but he's settled in perfectly, and no troubles with him. I think he's only had 1 accident in the whole time he's been here, but I think that's because me and my husband were out all day, and poor thing, we probably should have let him out, but he doesn't go out in winter anyway. He's a pain. So now that it's summer, I can never get him in. He's settled in perfectly. Do you know what? Since day 1 of living here, I've never felt like I was, like, you get that feeling when you move house, you feel like you're on holiday or you're in a hotel. Like I literally, I can speak for me, I can't speak for my husband, but I think he would say the same. We felt like it's just been home as soon as we've moved in here. I can't wait to decorate it. Every room's just a blank canvas. It's just plain white walls in every single room. It's all carpeted. The kitchen's gorgeous. Brand new kitchen, brand new dishwasher, brand new fridge, freezer. Everything's new. It's just never been touched before. I'm going to insert a video in now. Hello. So, where am I? Just moving house today. House is in a bit of a mess. Don't know what time we're gonna get the keys. I'd say we packed about 95% of everything. There's still a odd few bits that we haven't packed, but yeah, it's been eventful and it's decided to rain, and I am worried about the cat, or what the cat's gonna be like in the new home, but we shall see. Basically everything's just all over the place. But this was the makeup room, and currently in the bedroom full of rubbish, and it's miserable outside. I've actually just fallen back asleep on the sofa. Telly's disconnected. I'm just collecting the van. And the cat really wants to go out, don't you, love? You really want to go out, don't you? But we can't let you, because you probably won't come back. But you're pissed off, aren't you? You're gonna bite me. Pissed off. Got a few plants in the garden to probably dispose of. Everything's just a bloody mess. Can't do with it. I can't do with this mess. But yes, hopefully it shouldn't be too much of a long day, and it's absolutely freezing. Hello, so let's get this tour started off. So I'm going to start off in the kitchen. So this is our kitchen. I absolutely love the big massive clock I've got on the wall. That's from the range. So it's a brand new fitted kitchen. It's got a built-in fridge, built-in oven, built-in dishwasher, built-in washing machine. So we didn't really need to bring anything with us. In fact, we had to sell all our old appliances. I have a nice matching toaster and kettle, and I absolutely love my terrarium. Danny bought me this. I've got a thing for terrariums at the moment. I have a nice little house rules sign, and as you can tell, this was filmed quite a while ago because we are now in June and I'm only just managing to put this up. So next is the downstairs toilet, or as we like to call it, the little guest toilet, so people don't actually have to go upstairs to use the toilet. So there's a little sink. These little mirrors I got from IKEA. I did want to put them the whole way down, but you would think in a new build house the walls are straight. They certainly are not. So yes, this is just a little overview. The toilet, what can I say? It's a toilet. Next to the toilet we have our little cleaning cupboard. Danny's installed some shelves for me, which is I absolutely love actually. Bought this little radiator cover from B&Q. It just makes something of the hallway, and a nice little mirror. I'm going for the like silver theme in here. This indoor plant was from IKEA. This is our living room currently at the moment. Actually, I've actually decorated in here since filming this, so I might have to refilm certain things. Nice little TV stand that Danny's mum gave us. I'm going for like the burnt orange theme in here. A lot of the things you see are either from IKEA or from Argos, which this table does extend out into a 6-seater table for when I have guests around. Yeah. This is just a little overview of the garden. Again, the garden's completely changed. I've now got decking in here now, and I've got a lot more plants planted and seating area outside. So let's go upstairs. So I love this little staircase. It's like a little windy round. So we'll start off in the beauty room. I always have to have a beauty room. Come on, it's me. This is where I store all my makeup.
Next it's on to mine and Danny's bedroom. So this is a little overview as you enter. The fitted wardrobes weren't in when we moved in. We had to get those installed. You can see Oscar asleep on the bed. That's nothing unusual. So beds from IKEA. Little TV stand there. It's very basic. There's literally no decoration done at all. So these are my fitted wardrobes. A little look inside. It actually looks tidy for once. I can tell you it isn't tidy today. And then leading from our bedroom we have a little ensuite bathroom. Now you might think, oh god, that's brilliant, but imagining having 3 toilets to clean, it's a nightmare. Oh, I'm giving you a little wave there. This mirrored cupboard is from B&Q. I've done the same one in the main bathroom. I just like to match. It came with this nice little built-in shower. So leading on out from our bedroom is the hallway, and yet I've got the same radiator cover again. So this is the spare bedroom. This has our old bedding from our old house, old decor, unmatching curtains. It's kind of just the miscellaneous room that we really don't know what to do with, but this is probably going to be future baby's room. Oh, I'm not pregnant by the way, it's just a little standing joke I have with my husband. So this is the main bathroom. I like to call this my bathroom because I don't really like using the ensuite because there's no windows in it. I'm very weird. So yet again we have the mirrored cupboard. Everything you see in here is stuff I've just bought from my old house. I haven't decorated it all. What can I say? It's a toilet, it's a bathroom.
Now that we've been living here, God, how many months have we been living here? Christ, we've been living here 7-8 months. It really don't feel like it. It's gone so quick. Yeah, so I will put in videos. Obviously bear in mind the house isn't decorated. It's not finished in any way, shape or form. We've got beds, we've got a table, we've got a sofa. We've just got the basics. It's nothing for what I really envision for this house. I have a lot of plans for what I want for this house. They are on hold at the moment for personal reasons, which I will not be going into. But yeah, I basically can't wait to get my teeth into decorating this house. So yeah, this was just a quick hi, I'm back. I probably will be filming more videos. I used to do them at 5 o'clock on a Friday every week, but I can't promise you I can keep up to that. I work full time, my husband works full time. We barely get to spend any days off together as it is, and I'm just always busy and I'm always tired. I go to bed at 9 o'clock now, me. I was up at 6 o'clock this morning, just wide awake. I thought, no, force yourself to go back to sleep, but I couldn't. So, do you know, you're just laying in bed, like, watching YouTube videos. So I got up about 7. I can't believe it. Like, it's my day off and I'm up. What a weirdo. What a freak. I'm just an early riser. I just am these days. So subscribe to my channel. I would really, really appreciate that. You meant to say them kind of things like give it a thumbs up, aren't you? But yeah, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel. There are more videos coming along. There's not going to be a set time. There might not be one every week, and I'm going to do it when I want to do a video that I enjoy, not just for the sake of thinking, oh shit, I need to do a video this week. What can it be about? Like, I can't think of anything. I'd rather it be something like I enjoy, I'm passionate about, yada yada yada. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon with more videos, beauty related, lifestyle related, you name it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.